So I use my seamer down now for every single seam that I make, and I've had it for a few years now, and every time I'm making a seam I'm looking at it, and I always see this right here where it says power stretch in 20 seconds, not 20 minutes. So we're going to put that to the test. I'm going to make a seam, set my stopwatch right beside it. In 20 seconds we're going to pull the seamer down now off of it and stretch just like we would stretch in the room. And we're not going to have any editing or anything. We're going to go with this the whole way video, and that way there's no tricks or anything like that. So I got one piece here. I'm just going to cut one piece and put it right back together. Now mind you, this is just for the video. I'm not going to do a perfect job in lining the seam up like that or anything. Okay, I am going to go ahead and get my end tied off, and we got the stretchers ready right now. So as soon as the 20 seconds comes on, I'm going to tell Jerry go. I'm going to pull the seamer down now off the seam and tell Jerry to go, and he's just going to stretch it just as if he was stretching a regular room, not cutting any slack or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this tied off here. Make sure that's mashed down real good. Okay. Get all this laid out in the proper way there. Now this is an 11-foot room we're in right now, so I'm just guessing that it's approximately almost halfway. I didn't do it perfect there, but it's almost halfway of the length of the room. I do want to make sure it's not overlapped and it is together. That way you can see that if it does pull, you'll be able to tell if it does pull it apart a little bit or anything, because we're going to investigate this seam after we get done and see what that looks like. Okay. So as soon as I get this started, I'm going to go ahead and get Jerry up there, and he can have his headpiece all ready and all that kind of stuff. Okay, and I'll just just keep on this stopwatch as soon as I get my seamer down now. This should be short enough I can do in one pull. And as soon as I get my 20 seconds, as soon as I get my seamer down now on it, go ahead and go up there and get your stretcher ready, okay? Because we only got 20 seconds to do this. Okay, I hope you seen that move. That was a pretty daggum good stretch he got right there. Okay, that was like, see how much that move pushed out in there. See that? Okay, here you go. Just leave that stretch right on there. We'll stop that. come real close right here. We want to separate this now and see the seam. See if, look at that. Get really, really close right there. Look. That is perfect. Come over here on this side. I mean, just tiny. That right there. Oh, actually, I'm just pulling it apart as I'm pulling. That is absolutely together. The seamer down now appears to me that it stands up to its advertisement. Power stretch in 20 seconds using the seamer down now. I'm kind of shocked myself. That was a pretty awesome demonstration. I'm kind of shocked on that. And that's a, well, you can't really tell like that. That was a daggum. That was a good stretch. That was awesome. I'm kind of surprised at that myself. Okay.